Hello everyone, I hope that all of you are doing fine staying at home during this circuit breaker. Now, talking about this staying healthy, right? Other than observing some good personal hygiene at home, there are also ways to help maintain a clean home for yourself and your loved ones. For example, by choosing the right products for your bathroom, here are some tips that I would like to share with you. The KOHLER Luxe Hygiene Spray is easy to clean. Important is anti-bacterial cover that they use. And of course, especially the hose is designed in a way that it doesn't tangle. It does not leak. This is very crucial. And this design itself is very ergonomic. Be that sprays that we are actually using, we actually use our palm to control. So sometimes water pressure is very difficult to control them. So whereas for this KOHLER spray, we are actually using our fingers. So actually it's very much easier to control the pressure. Okay, the next product I have is KOHLER Exhale Shower Filter. This product reduces skin dryness and also reduce irritation to our hair. Our Singapore water supplies has been very clean, but due to all these pipes that has been there for years, it do contain residues, chlorines, contaminations as well. This filter contains KDF 55 material that helps to filter out all these chlorines and residues. Another feature about these products is actually very easy to install, especially in BTO houses. This product has also won IF Design Award.
We are giving away KOHLER Exhale Shower Filter for the first 3 customers who sign up with us in the month of June. Feel free to contact us for any enquiry.